On Gilroy has got the job done. Important to do it before you get to the kink here. We saw how quickly things changed.
Another one.
And now Wood's off.
And Gibbons too. Can he get it through? He needs to try and poke out the other side. Wood's still spinning and just Gibbons gets it back. And more in the background, the two Kiwis are off. Hugo Allen, can he get that car back and avoid contact? He does. This is chaos at the chase. Look how many are slipping off and out of action. Wow.
Hughes was in there as well. He was on the outside, and it's a carbon copy of the opening lap when everybody went off.
And we might get away with it yet. Oh, Hughes is stuck there. Can he get going? Grab a gear and keep that car moving. How about the chaos at the chase? Oh, you've got a feel for Ryan Wood. So close to winning on debut. Gibbons, incredible to get away with that one. And that just kept going and going and going for Ryan Wood. Hugo Allen joined him. There goes Jared Hughes. Amazing that those guys all got going again.
Ryan Wood, let's have a look at this. Massive slide. It's almost a carbon copy of the Job Stewart one. And unfortunately, as soon as that left rear is out on the grass, watch how many rotations Wood's car does once he gets down the bottom here. It was almost like a spinning top. Thankfully, though, Gibbons was able to keep his car pointed straight ahead.